Hi, I'm Alex. Today, I'll show you the new features in the collageMaker plugin for Photoshop. We have added many new collage formats, alongside classic photo sizes, also several social media formats. This way, you can find the right format for your collages even faster. As usual, you can edit your collage exactly the way you want. As a main new feature, we've added a custom library. That means you can now save your own templates directly inside the plugin. To do this, you first need to set a storage location for your custom templates once. All of your collage templates will then be stored in this folder. Simply click the Add button to save your template. The template is now in the plugin library, and you can load it anytime you need it. Fill the template with your images as usual. Just select the folder where your images are stored and start filling. Of course, you can also delete a template from the library at any time. To change the storage location of your templates, open the plugin submenu. Here you can set a new storage location. From now on, your collages will be saved in this new folder. As one last small feature, we've added automatic frame renaming. Maybe you've already tried filling a self-made collage with the plugin. That doesn't work, because the plugin only fills frames that are properly named. Normally, you'd have to rename all your frames manually, which takes forever. With the automatic renaming, it's done in no time. Now you can fill the collage with the plugin. I hope our new features will be useful for you. If you need help or have any questions about the plugin, just write to us. You can find a contact form on our homepage. Thanks for watching.